Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers here again. Just thought I'd do another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So you might be able to hear it's a little bit windy on the audio there, but it is a perfect blue sunny sky day with a lovely coastal road just behind us there. So I think today it's going to be an out and out nutcase mobile. I would say it's going to be technically it's a day where it should be really convertible, but as it's my birthday, I'm putting my foot down, and I would say it's got to be a car with proper English heritage. Apart from technically the person who started the company wasn't English, and the engine isn't English, but other than that, the rest of it is very English. It's a company where the cars are made up in Woking, so that's probably given it away straight away. The car in choice here at the moment in thought is Papaya Orange. It's got a 6.1 litre naturally aspirated V12, which sounds unbelievable. I know I say that about every car, but it truly does sound unbelievable. It's one of the best sounding engines ever. Over 600 horsepower. One of the most crazy stats is 0 to 100 miles an hour in 6.7 seconds. I mean, they have cars nowadays that'll do that, but back then when it was released, that's mad. So you guys have probably worked out what the car is by now. Designed by Gordon Murray, one of my heroes, and Peter Stevens. It is the McLaren F1 LM. So yeah, I think the McLaren F1 LM in Papaya Orange would definitely be the perfect car to drive today. Just imagine opening up that dihedral door. Oh, just that would be enough. Open up that door, climbing across into the central seating position, and then starting that perfect V12. I mean, I don't know. I honestly don't know how people who own them get out of them. I mean, if I had one, I'd just literally drive it all day until the bloody wheels fell off. But anyway, that's just me. It's a little bit biased today, as it is my favourite car, but still, I think it's perfect. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.